Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine with good health and in Iman. As you know, students, again online classes are going to start, so that submit your task on Monday 30th November. Now, students, before starting our topic, first of all raise your hands for dua. Very good. Say Rabbi Zidni ilma. O Allah, increase me in my knowledge. Ameen. Now students, open your maths book, page 91. Now students, write date and day over here at the top of your page. So students, today our topic is fraction. You know what is fraction? फ्रैक्शन क्या होती है? फ्रैक्शन किसे कहते हैं? गुड. फ्रैक्शन इज समथिंग दैट शोज पार्ट्स ऑफ अ होल. फ्रैक्शन वो है जो एक मुकम्मल या पूरी चीज़ को हिस्सों में तकसीम करता है. So, let's see an example. First of all, I have a circle. Look, this is a circle. And I will cut it into two equal parts like this, so that one part is called as one half and other part is called one half. Now students, look at these two parts. So I cut these into equal parts. Remember students, fraction is something that shows parts of a whole. सबसे पहले मेरे पास एक सर्कल शेप है और अब मैं इसको सर्कल को मिड से कट करूँगी इस तरह. तो अब ये जो सर्कल था ये दो इक्वल हिस्सों में कट हो चुका है. तो इसको अब क्या बोलेंगे? वन हाफ. शाबाश, वेल डन, एक्सीलेंट. से विद मी. वन हाफ. 1/2. 1/2. Now students, how we will write 1/2? Look at this. 1 at the top and 2 in the bottom. Bottom number shows total number of parts. Total number of parts. And top number shows how many parts, how many things we are talking about. Okay students? So here we have two parts. We have two parts that shows total number of parts. Total number of parts. तो जब इसको हमने कट किया तो ये हाफ पार्ट में आ गया. Because fraction is something that shows parts of a whole. Similarly, if I have another circle and I will cut it into 4 equal parts, so that one part is called 1/4, like this. So I cut this circle into 4 equal parts. Now students, tell me what is fraction? Excellent. Fraction is something that shows parts of a whole. Here number 4 shows that how many parts or total number of parts, while one number shows how many parts or how many thing we are talking about. So here we have 4 parts that shows the total number of parts. Similarly, let's see another example. If I have a circle and I will cut it into 8 equal parts, then one part is called 1/8. 1/8. So here we have 8 parts, which shows total number of parts. Now students, open your book page 92. Now students, look at these pictures. Take the objects that are cut in half. आपने उन पिक्चर्स पे टिक करना है जो हाफ कट हुई हुई हैं. Like this. These 3 objects cut in half. Look at this picture. Shape of a square. Now students, tell me, is it cut in half? Yes. Good. Excellent. This shape is cut in half. So, at your page 92, question number 2, take this object which is cut in half. Also mention half here and half here and color them. Similarly, is this picture is cut in half? Now students, look at this and tell me, is it cut in half? Very good. No, is it not cut in half? So, leave it. Now, don't mention tick over here. Look at this. Is it cut in half? Yes. Look at next object. Is it cut in half? No. Is it cut in half? Yes. So, students, like this, mention tick and also write half and half in those pictures, those objects which cut in half. Now look at your page 93. If I have a collection of butterflies, look at your part A. Now students, look at this. These are butterflies. If I have these butterflies, how will I make half? First of all, count them. Yes, these are 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. These are total 8 butterflies. Now students, how will I make it half? Good, excellent. I will separate foods here and separate foods here. Now they become half. So look at your part A. Count them all butterflies. Yes, these are 10 butterflies. How will make them half? Yes, good, excellent. 5 butterflies make separate and 5 butterflies make separate. Similarly, look at your part B. Count them all candies. Yes, these are 12 candies. How many candies makes half? Yes, 6 candies. 6 candies at one side and 6 candies at another side makes half. So, students, all 3 parts are done. Now you say these 6 candies a collection of half. These 6 candies collection of half. These 7 pencils collection of half. These 7 pencils also collection of half. Now student, look at your page 94. Also mention date and day at the top of your page. First of all, read this question. Cut each shape into half by drawing a line. Then color each half using a different color. One has been done for you. Now look at this picture. It is H. It is H. How will I cut it? Yes, I will. Now student, look at this picture. This is alphabet. This is alphabet H. How will I cut it? Yes, very good. I cut it in half. I cut it in half. Similarly, look at this. This is a number. Which number is this? 8th. Now tell me, how will I cut it? Very good. Excellent. I cut it from center. Like this. Tell me, is it cut in half? Very good. Now student, this is another alphabet. Tell me, which is this? Yes, this is X. Now tell me, how will I cut it? Very good. I cut it from center. Is it in half? Excellent. Is it in half? Good. Which alphabet is this? Yes, this is T. Now tell me how I cut it. Like this. Tell me, is it in half? Very good. Excellent. It cut in half. Now student, look at your page 94. Question 4. Like this. इस तरह आपने अपना क्वेश्चन 4 सॉल्व करना है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, कट इन हाफ. Yes. Now color each half. Each half, color them and different colors should be used. Like this. Okay students? Similarly, question 5 भी आप लोगों ने ऐसे ही करना है. These shapes cut in half. Also color each half and different colors should be used. Okay students? अब इसी तरह आपने अपना सारा काम नीट एंड क्लीन कंप्लीट करना है और ये सारा काम 30 नवंबर को सबमिट भी करवाना है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, अल्लाह हाफिज़, फ़ी अमानिल्लाह.